if your damaged ceiling tile is intact, keep it. We're going to use it as a template. So the first thing we want to do is get a flat surface and lay your new ceiling tile down on that flat surface. Then put your old ceiling tile, in my case, the water damaged ceiling tile, above it. And what we're going to do is we're going to use that as a template. So I'm using a mechanical pencil. I would suggest using a pencil so that your mark is very light, and you're just going to draw a line where you need to cut the new ceiling tile. Then I think it's easier to get that old ceiling tile or template off of there. And I like to use a heavy straight edge, so I'm using a right angle in this case, and I'm going to take my box cutter and I'm just going to very gently score the surface of that ceiling tile. And what I'll do is I'll very gently go over it several times. And essentially what I'm doing is I'm going slightly deeper each time. So I would say 2 to 3 slices, and I would recommend getting a box cutter with a new blade on it. So here I am just finishing that line down the other side of the ceiling tile. Again, you want a very sharp box cutter, because if your edge is dull, then what'll happen is you can kind of catch that mineral board and you can kind of drag almost a little hole in it. So 2 or 3 strokes very lightly down the entire ceiling tile. Then you're ready to crack it in half. So you can get that straight edge out of the way. Now you're just going to move your ceiling tile over to the edge of the table, and then very gently but with a firm grip, you're just going to gently push down, and you'll see it crack right along that cut that you made. So this will give you a very quick break, and you can replace that ceiling tile real quick. I'm just going to put my old ceiling tile over it just to make sure that my cut was indeed perfect. So everything looks great. So last thing I'm going to do, you might see a little dust and debris that kind of fell away from that cut. So I'm just going to vacuum that up really quick. Then I'm ready to take this ceiling tile and go ahead and reinstall it. And if your cut was accurate and it is the right dimension, what you'll find is you'll get a nice snug fit with your new ceiling tile, and there won't be any gaps along those edges, which is, I hate to see that. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.